Hello YouTube, and this is an unboxing of something I got. It's a small three-way audio video selector box. Here it is. You plug in device 1, device 2, and then device 3. You hook this into your television, and here are the switches. Pretty simple. This cost me $4.19 plus tax, and I believe it was $4.40 in total. So let's go rip out the seal. Okay, so I've ripped out the seal with a pair of scissors.
There we go. Come on. There we go. And here's the switch box.
Feels really light, really light. Buttons feel somewhat sturdy. Smells funny, if that means anything. Okay, there it is, and now let's go set it up. The thing it didn't come with is RCA audio cables and a video cable. And I got two cables here. This one's a bit higher quality, this one is a bit thinner, so I'm just gonna try to see which is the best quality here. So far it looks pretty good. It seems to be working. We have it hooked up right here. Here are the connections for the PlayStation 2. Here's the cable to the TV. There's Everybody Loves Raymond, and it's on input number 3. Seems to be working. Success! It's working great. I got my GameCube running, my Nintendo 64 running, the Switch box, and the PS2 running. Okay, first it's GameCube running on number 3. We switch this to number 2. And now it's on Mario Kart for the N64. And then we switch it to number 1. And it's Everybody Loves Raymond on the PlayStation 2. Success!